In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch networks and keep your Lebara number. If you're moving to a new mobile provider but want to hang on to your current number, the process is simple and takes just a few minutes. You'll request a special code, receive it by text, and then pass it to your new provider so they can complete the transfer for you. Start by using the phone that has your Lebara SIM in it. Open your text messages and send a message with the single word PAC to the number 65075. That's all you need to type. Just PAC, nothing else. Make sure you're sending it from your Lebara line, especially if you use a dual SIM phone. This request is free and it's the official way to get the code you need in order to move your number. Very shortly after you send that text, you'll receive a reply by SMS with your PAC code. This is a short mix of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies your number for transfer. Since it arrives by text, keep an eye on your messaging app and ensure you have a mobile signal. When it comes in, save it somewhere safe. Take a quick screenshot or copy it into your notes so you can find it easily when you start your new plan. There's no charge for receiving this text and you won't be asked for personal details to get the code. Your PAC code is valid for 30 days. During that window, give the code to your new mobile provider so they can transfer your number over. Most providers will ask for it during checkout when you order your new SIM or plan, or they'll let you enter it later in their app or online account. Once they have it, they'll schedule the number transfer and keep you updated. In many cases, it completes within 1 working day. Your Lebara service will automatically close once the number is moved, so you don't need to cancel it separately. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Keep your Lebara SIM active until the transfer is done because you'll need to receive texts and calls in the meantime. If your PAC expires before you use it, simply request a fresh one by texting PAC to 65075 again. And if the text doesn't arrive right away, double check you sent it from the Lebara line and that you have a clear signal. That's it. Request your PAC by texting 65075, receive the code by SMS, and give it to your new provider within 30 days to bring your number with you.